You ever have a food orgasm? So on my juice journey, I'm going to be hungry to see what they have for me today. So this is plum and apple. Me hungry save the day. So this is June plum. It's nice. It's a strong June plum flavor. Big up to me hungry again. So guys, it's day 33 for me on raw and day 5 juicing. So far so good. So this is like literally my first drink for the day, and I'm starting with a coconut. It's nice. You ever have a food orgasm?
Nice.
So normally I'd eat the meat, right? So because it's a juice and smoothie journey for 2 weeks, I'm going to put it in a smoothie. So I'll be doing frozen mangoes with the coconut meat and some coconut juice as well. Yeah man, day 5 I keep, you know. So this is just mango coconut water, coconut jelly. Yeah man, if you can't eat it, you juice it. Yep. Don't mind me, I saw my behave when food nice.